Jazzleecailing 13.
Mr. Fashionista, rampa lang. Oh! Mr. Fashionista, hala sige rampa. Mr. Fashionista.
Perfect.
What's up, Fashionista, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for the next video, guys, is ibabakita ko sa inyo, guys, yung ginawa kong costume, guys, no, for my sister, para sa pre-birthday photoshoot ng aking kapatid, no. So, ito na siya, guys. So, ito siya, guys, no, super ganda. So, by the way, guys, this costume was made from magazines and Japan, and etc. So, you know, guys, hindi na talaga ako updated sa YouTube. It is because of TikTok. So, dahil sa TikTok, na-inspired ako na gumawa ng mga costume. But, you know, guys, na temporarily suspended ako. Kaya, dito muna ako sa YouTube mag-focus ngayon. Char! Kaya, pero, you know, guys, na-depressed ako, no? Depressed ako, no? Pero okay lang yan, guys, no? Tompak. So, you know, guys, pagkatapos ako, mag-tackle about my experience. So, guys, papakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung paano ito ginawa, guys, no? And then, the result, before and after. Char! So, guys, keep on watching!
Let it, bang, bang.
Jazzleecailing 13.
Bang.
Ang ganda, super beautiful. So, happy birthday to my sister, my beautiful sister J.U. Queen Yamo Kailing. So, ang ganda niya guys, no? Ganyan ako kaganda. Pa! Tumpa! Ganun. So, guys, no, birthday niya. So, super ganda niya. And then, I feel na masaya siya kasi ginawan ko siya ng costume na super unique. Char, like me. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share, of course. Mag-comment rin kung gustuhan nyo. And then click the notification bell button for more videos. And guys, paki-follow po ako sa mga social media ko. Nandyan sa description yung link. So, thank you so much and God bless us all. So, bye-bye! See you next vlog.